Newton Commercial was established in 1979 and we manufacture interior trim for British and European classic cars. We have 50 people, 50 trimmers using artisan skills building the soft parts, so the panels, the seat covers, the carpets, and we're using as much automation as we can. We're still using the old-fashioned ways, the handcrafted stuff, but we need CNC cutters, we need high-frequency welders, we need sewing machines. And the great stuff that we've been working with Trend is allowing us to take some of their CNC machines and do some bespoke work. So we've been able to go into new markets, we've been able to do one-offs, and it's been such a quick turnaround having the machine here, because before we used to send it away and it used to take days and sometimes weeks. So now the turnaround is just fantastic.